To start? Hi! This is my first video on my camcorder like ever. We're going to dosey dos.
270, I
Say
paid 40.
I ain't seen how to no fucking vlog, bro. Some vlog.
I
Click down
Brian
on
got in
left.
the back.
And then click normal.
Wait, why did it go black and white? Shut up, this is so cool. We're about to go to dosey dos. To go eat. Oh, do you have address? Or do you want me to pull up the address?
Yeah.
Like McKinley, I could not, that would not be fun.
Okay, but y'all aren't twins.
You're right, we're not.
So egocentric.
What?
Like you said to me.
That's what I said, yeah.
Okay, I found it. Go that way, remember?
What way?
To the woodlands.
I don't remember actually. How do
Harry,
you get to the
we
woodlands?
went to the woodlands.
Literally just tell me where to go and I'll go.
Okay, bye camcorder, see you
What I
later.
refer to
Say
as
bye.
Please turn that shit off.
You?
Wait, well left or right? Left or right?
No, go right here, go right here. Joe, what are you eating today?
Chicken fried steak.
What about you?
I'm getting brisket for the cheesesteak.
Okay.
I'm getting the chicken fried steak.
Okay.
I haven't decided yet.
Okay.
What's a chicken fried steak?
I will be getting the huevos rancheros.
Those things where it's like, you know, like recording is like weird and like public.
Oh yeah, and then people like look at you because you look like a ass.
That's really funny.
Yeah, I'm laughing.
We're at dinner now. We just ate.
No.
Claire's here. Can you record us?
No.
It's a picture.
Why are y'all so mean? What affected your upbringing the most?
It was bad.
Yeah, we're laughing at you.
Sing a line of your favorite Christmas song and we have to finish it. Well, my baby, she's a fuss. How do you see stars in the light?
Jingle bell. Jingle bell.
Jingle bell rock. Jingle bell.
Yeah.
Wait, which jingle bell?
I was singing all the way.
So you were singing
Jingle bell rock.
Yeah. I really can't.
Baby, it's cold outside. That was a good performance.
Hey, why are you giving it back? I wasn't done. Hello, what is your name?
Eller.
What is your cat's name?
Felipe.
Are you really 6'4"?
in the morning.
Taller.
The eggs are horrible.
Joe.
Who's the most diverse person you know?
Me.
Tell us a fun fact. What's your biggest pet peeve? What's your biggest fear? What's your zodiac sign?
What's your social security number?
Oh. He's a Sag. Favorite Christmas song? Say hi, Mom.
You guys are chilling?
Say Harry, say hi.
Wait, show them my chicken sandwich real quick.
Harris, it's not a picture. It's a video.
Cowboy
You can say
chicken
it.
sandwich.
You eat the bacon and then you take a bite of it.
That's Dane's boyfriend. Bro, he did not like you. I know. You do this? That's his boyfriend. He was mean to me. Like, I hope your card. I know, like, bitch, I'm not even playing for myself. Why am I not in this? I don't know. Oh, no. Y'all see how much water I drink? I don't know what you think the quality is gonna be really bad.
Yeah, it will. Don't worry.
What's up, gamers? This is Justin.
This is Harry versus Gaming back again with another YouTube collab with. This is That's So Crafty.
That's what it was. Terry B Gaming.
Shut your mouth.
Shit. Wait.
Stop!
Car?
This is such low quality.
Oh, shut the fuck up, bro.
Screenshot what my mom said.
Let's grab a basket.
Hey y'all, we're on a mission to get a basket.
Why are we walking out?
I think he was getting a carton. Bog is looking at his mom's screenshots.
What the fuck do you?
I'm vlogging. Hey, you interrupted me mid-vlog. Pretend like you know what you're talking about.
Hey.
Master, what are you making today?
I'm making peppermint brownies.
Show us your ingredients. Master
So far,
Chef.
I have 2 sticks of unsalted butter.
Okay, okay.
And that's all I have so far.
What about you? What are you making?
I got the good 9 inches. Got a good 9 inches right here.
Is that it?
And then 4 things of cream cheese.
Oh.
And then Oreos. And eggs.
And that's it?
Yeah. Alright. What do you got?
I have linguine and fettuccine. because they ran out of fettuccine.
Wow.
But they taste the same.
It's falling out.
Strawberry. That's okay.
So
Leakum.
it's not fettuccine Alfredo.
It's linguine fettuccine Alfredo. And I have Alfredo.
Romana.
Yeah.
Romana.
Romana. Ooh, it's zooming in. Romana.
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 Who brought flowers? Hey, we can buy this stuff. Who brought flowers? We already have flowers. Yeah.
Brian, what are you making today?
Making pizza.
How was your day? Rate it 1 to 10.
I
What were you grabbing? He was grabbing jumbo
some
stuff.
biscuits,
Okay.
you know? I was looking for some biscuits.
Okay.
My day was like a 6.5. No, okay,
That's not
okay.
that good.
Okay, that's not true. It's like a 7.5.
Rate your day on a scale of 1 to 10. Okay, Brian, rate your day on a scale of 1 to 10.
8.
Mine was a 10-ish. Just kidding. It was like 7.
How many,
I don't know.
chocolate peppermint brownies?
It's light.
What the heck?
They knew. How do they
They
know?
knew. It's a different breed.
Get something for Yaya.
Tell me about this sausage addiction of yours, Harrison.
It's bad. It's getting worse by the day.